Thank you.
Yeah. But you have asked a very good question, that masking. Yes, so that is the reason behind masking. How it is being done in the case of coding, Daksh will show you how it's being done. But that is the point. Masking has been done. And you understand that whenever you are converting something from one target source to a target language, first you understand the target language and its representation. Where? Inside your encoder. So this is your target language representation that we have learned. So once you learn your target language representations, when you show German or French language, first you need to understand the French language understanding or the French language context. Once you got that French language context inside this masked multi-head attention, you need to learn that how this cross attention is happening, which means that English words and its representations, because they are not now an English word representation. What are they? They are some intermediate hidden representation where we can compare a French word, understand, where we can even compare a French word and its corresponding English words. This is no more an English representation, by the way. It's actually a latent in between intermediate representation. English is going to some intermediate representation. Why? Because in this representation state or in this subspace of representations, we can match a French as well as the English word. You understand? That is why now it's in your hand, that you take the query of this and directly matching with the keys of them. That is the crux of your decoder. Yes, anyone can else, anyone, if you have any question, you can ask. So here also you understand that we are having one mask, then MHA, then fully forward feed forward network. Masked MHA, you are having add and norm, add and norm, add and norm, which means that residual and batch and layer normalization, residual and layer normalization, residual plus layer normalization. That is one decoder block for you. In this you can have 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And if my internet is working, let me show you the full Google. Yes, Google, why you are not coming?
Aditya, one question on the output size from decoder.
Yes.
Do we need to specify something there, or
output side of the decoder? Yes. So again, that's a hyperparameterization. You can say that it is 64, 32, depending upon your thing. So I guess in the case of attention is all what you need, they have also used 64 dimensional vector as an output for each and every, I'm sorry, 512 dimensions, I guess, finally, because 512 is going in, so 512 is going out. Yes, anyone can ask. I was trying to, I don't know why this guy is networking. Oh, here also you can see that network. If that's a transformer, I wanted attention is all what we need. Why this guy is not working, I don't know. If I have wait, do I have a transformer, visual transformer? There are so many other stuff. Yeah, so here very fast I can show you few things. I will be very fast. It is just another place from where I've got the stuff, in which I just wanted to show things in the best possible fastest manner. Something is going in like this and something is going out. You understand, encoder, so many different encoders, and the final representation is going to be shared to each and every decoder. Finally English is going to coming out. You understand that self-attention, feed forward. Within that self-attention, you are learning sequence 1 to sequence 1 or English to English representation. Here also self-attention and encoder decoder attention. Encoder decoder attention is nothing but the cross attention, can also be said as the sequence 1 and sequence 2 relationship. It's actually trying to learn over here. This self-attention is actually the masked self-attention, and again the same feed forward thing you are going to get. I will share these stuff to you, so don't worry, I cannot cover things from each and every place, but I can share this, and video is also available, so you can see things from there. Multi-head is this, you understand, you can have head 1, you can have head 2, and if you have multiple heads, it can be shown that, you know, 2 words are there, and for each and every word, instead of having one thing, the same word, this one word is actually going into 2 heads. One head is this, the other head is this, and both of these heads are going to give you 2, because there are 2 words. So 2 queries you have got, 2 key you have got, 2 value you have got. 2 is not because the 2 heads are here. If these 2 is actually because 2 words are here. Two heads, head 1 is giving me q0, head 2nd is going to give me q1. So I got q0, q1, q0, k1, b0 and v1. And as you know that multiple heads are there. In fact, you can have not here we are not having in fact 2 heads, but we are actually having I guess 7 heads.
8
so if you have
heads.
8 heads, right? So head 1, head 2 and head 7, so 8 heads, and all these heads z0, z1 and z7 you will get. You just concatenate them, have a fully connected network which will convert it into back to how many? 2 things. So it will convert it back to the 2 things. The final z is actually 2 cross 64. And yes, so here multiple heads, they will let you understand different things. You can see that it is here, one head will shown in brown color, other head is shown in green color, and another head is shown in some other color. So here you can see that all the heads, so it has learned a huge amount of relationships. So it is having good relationship with the and animal and something in this brown color, and pink, with pink it is having good relationship with cross and so on. All heads shown in one diagram. So it is learning a very heavy, a good type of useful representation. Positional embedding is just something, as I have said, that you need to add with the word embedding directly. Otherwise your network is not going to perform anyways well. So yeah, so this was your 2 words. First is going, second is going self-attention, layer norm, add norm. You can see that this is add and norm, that's the layer norm. And the same thing is, you know, that's a feed forward, the same feed forward as I have said. Z1 and Z2 both are going to get the same set of network, in fact the same, exactly same network, so as to be transformed into Z1 dash and Z2 dash and so on. If I wanted to show you one final diagram in which we cannot cover, I was wait, if I have, I can show you BERT and GPT